As summer peaks, many think the garden is winding down, but that's a misconception. In truth, this is a new beginning, a kind of second spring. The soil is warm, the light is golden, and nature offers us another chance to sow and harvest. It's a quieter, more thoughtful season, rewarding patience with some of the best flavors of the year. Forget tidying up for winter just yet. Think the gardening season ends in summer? Think again. Right now is the perfect time to sow these 16 vegetables for an abundant autumn harvest. Sow them now, and you'll be eating fresh long after your neighbors quit for the year. Extending the harvest connects you to the rhythm of the whole year. Many vegetables actually thrive in cooler temperatures, their flavors deepening and sweetening. I'm the soil doctor, and today I'll walk you through the best crops to plant for fall, plus tips to guarantee they thrive. Let's get our hands back in the soil. Loose-leaf lettuces thrive in autumn's gentle coolness, giving you tender leaves for weeks. Spinach loves this time of year. The cool nights keep it lush and productive. Kale welcomes the first frosts, which sweeten its leaves beautifully. Swiss chard keeps growing strong as days shorten, its vibrant stems brightening the autumn garden. Sowing carrots now means sweet, crisp roots as the cool soil concentrates their sugars. With beets you get sweet roots below and delicious greens above. Nothing goes to waste. Radishes are quick to grow and deliver a peppery crunch in no time. Turnips are hardy, mature quickly, and can stay in the ground until you need them. Autumn's steady cool weather helps broccoli form tight, dense heads. Plant cabbage now for dense heads perfect for winter storage or sauerkraut. Cauliflower thrives in autumn's consistent cool, giving you creamy white curds. Brussels sprouts take patience, but harvesting them fresh from the stalk is worth it. There's still time for a quick crop of snow or snap peas for sweet green crunch. Plant garlic cloves now. They'll rest through winter and emerge strong next summer. Arugula germinates fast, giving you peppery greens for salads in just weeks. Mustard greens grow vigorously and add a spicy kick as the weather cools. And there we have it. Autumn doesn't have to mean the end of your garden. It can be a time of vibrant continuation. Each vegetable is a promise you coax from the soil as the year grows old. There's real satisfaction in working with the seasons and finding abundance where others see decline. 16 vegetables, all perfect for sowing now. Don't let your garden beds sit empty. Let them work for you all season long. Every seed you plant is an investment in delicious, homegrown food for the cooler months. It's a simple act, but one of the most hopeful things you can do. Clear a patch, prepare the soil, and choose a few things to sow. You'll be rewarded with a harvest and the quiet joy of watching your garden thrive in autumn's golden light. Thank you for joining me today. Happy gardening.